Stop scrolling. If your laptop is stuck on the brand logo and not booting, this video can save you time, data, and money. I am a technician, and these fixes are tested on Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, and many more laptops. First, understand the problem. A laptop stuck on logo means the system passed power on self-test, but failed to load the operating system. The most common reasons are corrupted boot files, faulty updates, storage issues, or BIOS configuration problems. Step 1. Force power reset. Shut down the laptop completely. Remove the charger. If the battery is removable, remove it. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This drains residual power and fixes many stuck boot issues. Now reconnect power and turn it on. Step 2. Disconnect all external devices. Remove pen drives, external hard disks, mouse, keyboard, memory card, and even HDMI cable. A faulty USB device can freeze the boot process at logo screen. Step 3. Try entering BIOS setup. Restart the laptop and press F2, delete, or escape key repeatedly. If BIOS opens, your motherboard is working fine. Inside BIOS, load default settings. Save and exit. This fixes wrong boot configuration issues. Step 4. Check boot order. Inside BIOS, make sure Windows Boot Manager or your main SSD or HDD is set as first boot device. Wrong boot priority is a very common reason for logo freeze. Step 5. Hard reset display test. If the logo is visible but frozen, connect an external monitor. Sometimes laptop display initialization hangs and stops booting. Step 6. Use automatic repair. Force shut down the laptop during logo screen 3 times. On the 4th boot, Windows recovery environment will appear. Select Startup Repair. This fixes corrupted boot files automatically. Step 7. Safe mode test. From advanced options, boot into safe mode. If safe mode works, uninstall recent drivers, Windows updates, or antivirus software. Most logo stuck issues start after a bad update. Step 8. Storage health check. If BIOS does not detect SSD or HDD, the drive may be failing. A dying SSD often freezes at logo without error message. Data backup and replacement is required in this case. Final note. If none of these steps work, BIOS update or Windows reinstall may be needed, but do not rush without diagnosis. If this guide helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real technician fixes coming soon.